Hi, Meg.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, good evening, Meg. How are you?
I'm good.
That's great to hear. Did you eat dinner?
No, it. No,
Oh, no, you did not eat dinner. What did you do in the morning, Meg? What did you do in the morning? Hi, Meg.
no, teacher.
What did you do in the morning, Meg?
Mẹ ơi, anh mới viết bài câu với lắp học gì nè. Mẹ vô. Vâng. Hello, teacher.
Hi, Meg. Okay,
Mila,
so
Mila, Mila.
did you play football?
Yeah.
Yes, you did. Okay, that's nice. Now we'll have a quick review of the clothes that we have talked about last time. And if you can tell me what these things are, then we'll proceed to our topic. Okay, now can you tell me what is it? What is it, Meg?
So,
Okay, what about this?
the red,
Okay, what's this one?
the girl,
Okay, what is it?
cut,
Pants. What about
t-shirt,
this?
another suit, sock,
Socks and
suit.
very good, Meg. Now let us have the next one. Oh, okay. Can you tell me what is it? What is it?
Học rồi. I'm wearing a blue t-shirt.
Now this one, Meg. This one. What is it?
Hat,
Is it a hat or a cap? Is it a hat
cap,
or a cap? Okay, yes, it is a cap, Meg. Now what about this one? What is it? What is it?
t-shirt,
Very good. What's this?
skirt. No. Uh, Squeaker.
No, not the sneakers, Meng, not the sneakers.
Sock.
Okay, yeah, shorts. And the last one we have,
Anh vừa vứt bóng.
the last one we have.
Cap, t-shirt, socks, sneaker.
Okay, yes, that's right. Thank you. Now let us have this. Okay, can you tell me what is it, Meng? What is she wearing?
Coat.
Is it a coat, Meng?
Boot.
No, you have to tell me. Is it a hat, coat, sweater, or boot? What is she wearing? Look at the girl.
Boot.
No, this one, the one I've encircled, Meng, the one I have encircled. What's she wearing on top?
Cap.
Okay, it's a
Hat.
sweater.
Sweater.
Yes, what about the man? What's he wearing? It's a what is it? Yes. What is it, Meng?
He wearing a hat.
No, the red one, Meng, the red one.
Is he wearing it's cold.
Okay, very good. What about the green one? What is it?
Yeah.
What is it? It's a
Coat. Boot.
the green one, Meg, the green one.
Gum.
It's not a cap. It's not a cap. What is it?
Hat.
Okay, yes, it's a hat. Now, what about this one? What are these? What are these, Meg? She's wearing brown. What's she wearing? What's she wearing, Meg? What is she wearing? Are you doing something, Meg? Are you doing something?
Suit.
Is that
Boot.
shoe? Yes. Those are boots. Okay, that's right. So now let us proceed to our lesson for today. Okay, so now let us have this. Wait, let me cover it for you real quick. Okay, now can you tell me what is she doing? What are you doing, Mom? What's the matter, Meg? What's wrong?
I don't know. Eating.
Yeah, she is eating. What about him? What's he doing?
Drinking.
Okay, what's she doing? Yes, Meg.
Sleeping.
Okay, what's he doing?
Playing.
Okay, yes, thank you. Now let us proceed in here. Okay, you have to tell me if they're eating or we're eating. What are you or what are they? Yes, doing. Okay, so now let us start. Okay, can you tell me what are you doing? What are you doing?
Uh, I'm doing
Is it we're eating or they're eating?
we're eating.
Okay, yes, we're eating. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing, man?
Eat. We eating.
Okay, they're eating. They're eating. What are you doing?
They drinking. I know.
What are you doing?
They playing.
Okay, we're playing. What are you, man? What are you doing? We are playing. Okay, now can you tell me what are they doing? What are they doing?
Mẹ và bà gọi rồi đi.
Yes, ma'am. What are they doing, ma'am? What are
They
they doing?
playing.
Okay, very good. They're playing. Now let us have this. Okay, what are you or what are they doing? We're eating. They're eating. What are you doing? This one's easy,
We
man.
are
We are. We are. What is it? We are.
we are gì nhỉ?
What are you doing
Con ơi,
again? What are
ăn món
you
gì?
doing?
Đần à? Đồ ăn vặt á. Trong tiếng Anh. Đồ ăn vặt trong tiếng Anh. I don't know.
Okay, so this one's easy, Meng, and I know you know this one very well. You were able to answer it earlier.
We doing eating.
No, When you say we're doing eating, that is grammatically incorrect, Ning, because when you say doing and eating, they are the same. They are actions. Okay, so we would say we're eating. We're eating. Again, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Meg? I think you're doing something, Meg. Are you? Okay, so now let us move on. What are you doing?
I'm doing
No, not
play.
I'm doing. What
We
are
play.
you? Okay, we're playing. We're playing. We're playing. I think first. Okay, again, Meg. What are you doing? We're playing. Okay, not we're play. Now, what are they doing? Yes, Meg?
Listen.
Okay, can you tell me what are they doing? What are they doing? Yes, Meg. Can you hear me, Meg? Hello, Meg. Can you tell me? Look at picture three. Look at picture three. What are they doing?
They doing. They are sleeping.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What are they doing?
Don't-
What are they doing?
We doing eating.
No, not doing eating, man. Not doing eating. Okay, so they're eating. They're drinking. They're drinking. When you say doing, man, that is already an action, man. They're doing something. So you don't have to say they're doing eating, they're doing sleeping. You can just directly say they're drinking, or you can say they're playing. Okay? Again, man. Again. Please focus, man. What are you doing? What are you doing, man?
I'm doing. We are
Cậu
doing
đang làm gì vậy?
eating.
Okay. We're eating. We're eating.
We are eating.
Okay? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing.
No, not I'm doing. We're not practicing I'm
We
doing.
doing.
No, not we're doing.
We are
We're
doing.
we are playing.
We are playing.
Okay, now what are they doing?
We are sleeping.
Okay, what are they
We are
doing?
eating. We are drinking.
They are, Meng. Remember, Meng, if you are going, you will be asked, what are you doing? It is a direct question referring to you. What are you doing? You can say, we're eating. Because in here, Meng, as you can see, we have two people, right? One, two. One, two. That's why we use were. But if it's just one person, Meng, you can as well say, I am eating. If it's just one person, Meg, but in here we have two. That's why we'd say we're eating. Now in here, what are they doing? Okay, so it is you being asked what other people are doing. So you would say they are. They are eating. They are sleeping. They are drinking. Okay? So I do hope you will focus, Meng. I know you can do this. This is very easy, Meng. Now let us have a singing activity, okay, with the title, What Are You Doing?
Page 47. D. Sing. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am
I'm playing.
I'm not
I'm sleeping. I'm
playing
playing
now.
now.
What are they doing?
They are
They're
eating.
eating.
They
They
are
aren't
drinking.
drinking.
They're
They're
eating
eating
now.
now.
What are you doing? I
I
am
am
playing.
playing.
I'm not sleeping.
And
I'm
I'm
playing
playing
now.
now.
What are
What
they
are they
doing?
doing?
They are
Are
eating.
eating.
They
They
are
are
drinking.
drinking.
They're
They're
eating
eating
now.
now. Okay, so that is all it for the singing activity, Meg. What about you, Meg? What are you doing?
Minh, cậu đang làm gì vậy?
What are you doing?
I'm drinking.
Okay, you are drinking. Okay. Now let us have this one. Okay. So can you encircle the words, Meg? We have sleep, drink, play, and eat. Very easy for you. Okay. Three more. Okay.
No.
Okay, yes, that's right. Sleep.
Eat.
Okay, yes, thank you so much, Meg. All correct answers. Okay, drink and play. Now let us have this one. Okay, so we're eating, we aren't drinking. Now what about in here? There? What are they doing, Meg?
They are
They are?
drinking.
They're drinking. They aren't. They aren't.
Eating.
Okay, very good. What about for the next one? Is it where or
They
there?
are
Okay.
they are
They are.
sleeping.
Next one.
They are
They aren't.
playing.
Okay, they aren't playing. Okay, so we'll just continue the rest. Ming, next meeting, okay? I know you're doing something. Thank you so much for your time. Good night, Ming.